C program for user defined function. Actually this function in C has, we can define a function in four ways. The with no argument, no argument and no return values, no return values. Then with argument and no return value, no return value, no argument with return value, and with argument and with return values, So by using these four different ways, you can define user defined function in C. No argument, no return; with argument, no return; no argument with return; and with argument return values. So first we are going to discuss no argument and no return. We are going to write here addition of two integer, okay, using C program. So include stdio.h, then include .h. Now I want to define with no argument, no return. So void add, okay, void add, since we don't want to return, so void say main function, and then just write down add. Okay, so this is what only main function add. Now we are going to write a definition for our add function. So void add, then define two variables, say integer a b, then clear the previous output, say clr scr, then printf the enter a and the value, enter the values of a and b, scanf %d and a and b. Then printf addition is equal to printf addition is equal to %d a plus b get ch. Okay, now if you compile here, 0 error, and if you run here, if you enter say 3 and 4, you will get addition is what, 7. But here in main function we call the function add, and we can see here it doesn't return anything, and with no argument. Okay, so this is the first type, no argument and no return values. Now in the say we are writing this is, if we say this is say 1 f1, say this is f1. Okay, now next time, the next is with argument but no return. We are going to send here with argument with no return. Okay, that is we are going to with argument, that is we are going to say pass argument from main function. From main function we are going to pass an argument like add ab, and but no return value, So enter, we close this file, new. Okay, so include stdio.h, now with argument but not returned. So void say add int x int x int y, int x int y. Void, we are going to pass an argument from main function, void main. Next, integer a b, then clear the previous output, printf enter the values of a and enter the values of a and b. Okay, scanf %d and a and b. Now we are going to pass this value to the function, user defined function add. So add a b, and then get ch and close the main function. Now define the user defined function, void add integer x integer y, integer x integer y, and next the printf here, printf addition is equal to, so the value of a is equal to x, we assign the value of a in to x and b to y. So addition is equal to %d say x plus y bracket completed. If you compile here, you can see no error. If we run here, say 4 and 5, so addition is what? 9. So here in this type we pass the argument with argument but no return, Now in the next part, no argument with return. The third part is what? The third type is no argument but return. We are going to pass no argument with return values, So here from main function we are not going to pass any argument, but the function return the values. So if we save this program, I am going to copy this, file save, this is F2. Now file no paste. Now next with what here, return but with no argument. So integer add but no argument. So void main, then define true with no argument. Okay, now so take integer c, c is equal to integer c, and we assign here, we clear the previous output scr, we assign c is equal to add, and then printf addition is equal to %d and c, get ch, bracket completed. Now next we want to write the definition for user defined function integer add, and it's now take two variables, say integer a b, printf enter the values of a and b, scanf %d %d and a and b. Okay, now return a plus b, bracket completed. So now if you compile, zero error. Now here we return this value of a plus b to c and we print c in main function. So no argument, but the user defined function return the value a plus b. So now if you run here, if we enter say 4 6, you can see addition is what, 10. So this is third type. If we save this file, save, it is the type 3, that is F3. Now last type, the fourth type is type number 4 is with argument, but with argument and return values. So number 4 with argument and return values. So here we are going to pass argument from main function, say add ab, and we return addition from user defined function, and we assign that value to c, and then we are going to print this c in main function. So now Alt enter, say now since we want to return with argument, so we are going to define here integer add integer x, integer y, and now since it is user defined, we are going to write definition later on. So void main then integer take a, b and c, abc, clear the previous output, then printf, enter values of a and b. Okay, scanf %d and a and b, then now write c is equal to add ab. So we pass argument from main function and get want to print this and return the addition from user defined function. So printf addition is equal to %d dc, so get ch. Okay, now we want to define user defined function, that is integer add integer x, integer y. Okay, now we want to return since we assign a to x and b to y, so return x plus y, bracket completed. So now if you compile, zero error. Now if you run this, if you enter say 4 say 6, addition is what, 10. So in this program we pass an argument from main function and we return this addition from this function, user defined function, and we assign this value to c and we print c in main function. So this is the type with return values with argument. So this is what, if we save this f of 4 here. So now 4. Now if you open all this, first if you open say f1 sorry, file f1 or F2 no okay ठीक है so okay. So this is what 4 type